we are looking at how to pronounce these two words, the noun and the related adjective. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary as well in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. The top word is said as chaos. K-K-os. Stress on the first syllable. That's valid for both British and American English pronunciations here. Chaos. Now the bottom word is said in British English as chaotic. K-O-tech. Stress on the O syllable here. Second syllable. Chaotic. Chaotic. While the American English would use a flap T that sounds like a D. Chaotic. Chaotic in American English, or chaotic. So top word again, chaos versus chaotic or chaotic. And now you know. Like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate your support. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. If you found it useful too, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.